When the price of Solana started to rise in July, people dubbed it the Solana summer. But now, as we head into December and the price continues to climb, perhaps the crypto community should instead simply call 2021 Solana's year. But what exactly is Solana? What does the altcoin do? Does it have a promising future? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Solana Sol is. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Created by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana operates on a decentralized computer network using a ledger called a blockchain. This blockchain database manages and tracks the currency and effectively records every transaction that's ever occurred in it, like a long-running receipt. The computer network records the transactions in the currency and verifies the data's integrity. Solana is a blockchain network for building cryptocurrencies, just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. The only difference between Solana and Ethereum is the former's high speed of transactions. This new-to-the-fame blockchain network can perform 50,000 transactions per second, which makes it unique. The decentralized blockchain network Solana offers is a combination of proof stake and proof of history. Solana can quickly add multiple properties to its existing network, whether it's building applications or mining SOL tokens. This network can perform it all within microseconds. This cryptocurrency is often known as Ethereum's competitor. Solana's protocol is fast, secure, and censorship-resistant. It is built on the Rust programming language, which provides it with a robust base in safeguarding transactions. It is a POS or proof-of-stake blockchain, which make it more environmentally friendly than POW, also known as proof-of-work blockchains such as Bitcoin. Its native cryptocurrency is also called Solana and has the ticker SOL. Solana rivals Ethereum, the most prominent decentralized apps platform, by promising faster operation and lower transaction fees. Solana capitalizes on 8 innovative technologies. For the purposes of simplicity, we will only touch on proof of history consensus, which is unique to the Solana blockchain network. The working mechanism of Solana is relatively technical, so we will try to avoid the mumbo-jumbo and break down the process in an easy-to-understand manner. To better understand how Solana works, you need a refresher of what precisely a consensus is. Simply put, a consensus, such as proof of work, is a mechanism or process of agreement between blockchain nodes concerning new transactions. For a consensus to hold, events have to be ordered correctly. For instance, you cannot use cryptocurrencies that you have not received yet. Ethereum was the first cryptocurrency to introduce smart contracts, which allows blockchain platforms to run decentralized applications, or dApps. However, the popularity of smart contracts and dApps has led to the congestion on the Ethereum network, opening the door for faster alternatives. Solana is also rapidly gaining market share in the high-growth, non-fungible token world. NFT marketplace Solanart runs on the Solana network, allowing NFT buyers to enjoy fast transaction speeds and lower fees than buyers on the Ethereum network. Booming demand for smart contracts and NFTs could open the door for both Ethereum and Solana to succeed in the long term. One of the biggest criticisms of Bitcoin and Ethereum as next-generation technology is their negative environmental impact. The computing power needed for mining Bitcoin and verifying transactions via its POW model currently generates about 60 million tons of carbon dioxide per year, giving Bitcoin roughly the same carbon footprint as the entire country of Greece. Bitcoin's carbon footprint is also why Elon Musk reversed the course on Tesla, accepting Bitcoin as payment earlier this year. Solana's POS and POH verification process is far less energy-intensive, potentially making the crypto a greener alternative to Bitcoin and Ethereum. SOL started trading on the crypto market in April 2020. However, while the token's trading journey has been short, it has been fairly disruptive and got the attention of most investors and media houses along the way. The token started trading at around 50 cents, according to data from CoinMarketCap. There wasn't much action until July 2020, with the price mostly consolidating between 50 and 80 cents. As a result, we have only about a year of price history to build on. Around mid-July, SOL crossed $1, then started picking up momentum at a time when the world economy was crippling under the force of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, since the pandemic was mainly detrimental around March, Solana might have missed the most devastating part a few months. So, by the start of September, the coin had risen as high as $4.70, then just as quickly dropped to $2 towards the end of September. From there, SOL fought not to go below $1 and only came close to doing so towards the end of October. In late 2020, a market-wide bull run started, but Solana didn't join until around late January 2021. This marked the beginning of its biggest price momentum so far. The upward trajectory was so sharp that by February 25th, SOL was hovering above $16 after rising by close to $7 in a week. The price fluctuated slightly going forward, and 1 month later on March 25th, SOL was trading at $13.03 per token. The subsequent months recorded one of the wildest price rides in Solana's history. By the start of April 2021, the token had climbed to $19.08 and more than $27 a week later. It then slightly dropped to $25 in mid-April, then by April 25th, it had skyrocketed to more than $47. That is a staggering 88% increase in about 2 weeks, but the bull run didn't end there. At the time this video was uploaded, the price of SOL today is $230.45, with a 45-hour trading market volume of $2,973,323,712. The current coin market cap ranking is number 5, with a live market cap of $70,402,624,235. It has a circulating supply of 305,506,995 SOL coins. Most analysts forecast that Solana shall close the year 2021 still below the current all-time high of $214.96 as it corrects the impact of the recent network outage and the price crash that occurred due to the sell-off. 2022 is viewed as the turnaround year for Solana. It is expected to have finished correcting the current price crash by then to set out for yet another bullish trend similar to the one witnessed in the better part of 2021. Besides correcting the price crash, several partnerships, alliances, and community funding have taken place with Solana, and these are expected to propel the cryptocurrency into a bullish course pretty soon. Trading Beasts forecast that the SOL price will close in 2022 at about $230.533, or somewhere between a maximum price of $288.166 and $195.953. Solana is but one competitor in a world of decentralized app platforms, each with its strengths and weaknesses. It shows a lot of promise, has a burgeoning app ecosystem, and has continued support from FTX and some of the biggest venture capitalists in the space. It has a long way to go to catch up with Ethereum, but it is well positioned to grab a decent share of the decentralized apps market. Anyone interested in decentralized apps and the blockchain space should at least dip their toes and try Solana out. Solana has risen briskly in its relatively short time trading on exchanges, so even those recently purchased are likely to have made significant money. But instead of looking at recent gains and suffering from fear of missing out, it's vital to understand what you're buying. From that perspective, traders are buying something that is not backed by assets or cash flow. Solana, like most popular cryptocurrencies, is not backed by any fundamental assets. What propels them is the optimism and speculation of other traders. Traders think they can sell the crypto coin to other traders later for a higher price, or what's called the greater fool theory of investing. So if you believe that Solana is a good investment for you, you might want to buy now before the price starts on another uptrend. The decision to buy Solana or not should be entirely yours. Make sure to do your own research, and if you decide to buy, do not go beyond your risk tolerance. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Solana? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.